Hi, this is my enhancement 8 for week 10. So to start, let's test if my classification view is working. So if I click this dynamic navigation bar that we did on our activity, so if I click the classic, it will go to my classification view. And if I click this sports, it will get all the vehicles under the inventory in the database. So yeah, so to check the responsiveness of the site or the view, and for the desktop view, so now to check if it's if my view vehicle details is working, if I click this, for example, this GM Hammer, it will direct me to the the vehicle details. It will direct me to the vehicle details view, not directly on the view folder, but by the means of the key value pair that I set. Like if I click this, as you can see, this key value pair that I set here. And the thing that I'm still working on is the title. I guess I'm close to getting it, but I'm trying to remove this element, HTML element. So this is my code for that one. It's not reading this part, but it reads this part. So I'm still working on it, and yeah, so to check if it's responsive for the phone, for the tablet, and the normal view, like in desktop view. Let's check the CSS and the HTML. Also, so I guess that would be all. Thank you.